Hi, Shawntel here with Koncept Garage. Jeff just got a new truck and got it beautifully wrapped, so as a professional organizer, we're gonna organize it. All right. Ooh, nice seats. Jeff, come on. Well, first things first, we're gonna take everything out of the car and see what he's got. All right, so let's see what Jeff has. I'm seeing a lot of different samples, which he needs for consultation. These are nice for like the cabinets, slat walls. Ooh, epoxy. The flooring that we do, I feel like there was this one. This one's my favorite. This one. It's like gold and like all the different colors. No one gets that one. The shelves that we do, tools, our new flooring system that we could do. Holds up to a bunch of pounds. A bunch. 2,500. Let me fact check that. Put it in the bottom, like fact check. Shawntel was wrong. It's actually this much. Rapid straps, gloves, business cards. This is what I'm most excited about. This is his desk. It's gonna have like a little swivel thing so that it'll like bring his laptop over towards his lap. So I'm an avid Amazon shopper. I just shop for fun. And I just found a bunch of different products and I was like, Jeff, let's put these in your car. It'd be so cool. Because he is having to spend a lot of time in his truck as his home, as his work office. And so he needs organization in his life. Jeff started the organizing people's car because if we're making your garage so beautiful, why don't we make your car beautiful as well? So we started doing detail work on cars in order to make them match their beautiful homes in the garage. And then we also wanted to organize them because why not? One of the things Jeff wanted was a cup holder to fit his giant smoothie thing. So this guy's gonna go in there and expand so that he can fit his smoothie thing in his new cup holder. So I'm pretty excited about that one.
And why is that important?
Because Jeff is an avid smoothie drinker every morning. I'm really excited about this one. So this thing goes on the side of the seat away from you. Like when you're driving, it's on this side. And it's just got easy access to things, you know, so you're not reaching around to the back to grab something. It's like right there. So his sunglasses, water bottle, snackies, they're all just gonna be like right there in reach. Pretty excited about that. Look at all this prime real estate. We can easily store some stuff underneath here. Where'd you go? I didn't get a cup holder big enough for this. Organizing the stuff into categories. So this is all the stuff that we kind of install in the homes. Trim piece. This is kind of marketing, brochures, flyers. This will be his personal stuff. I'm not sure what that is. Business cards? I don't know what this is. Should have grabbed bins. Oh, another thing we got for him was a trash can for the car, so you don't have to use your glove box as a trash can. The trash can in my car, it is so cute. Of course I had to get one once we started doing this. This is everything from the glove box. Stickers! All right, let's text Jeff and get him over here for a client sort.
What's your favorite part about organizing?
Seeing the before and after and the effects, and also making people's lives easier, especially if it's mine. No. Like I just organized like my pantry and like our gaming area at home, and it's just like breath of fresh air. It's so much easier to find stuff. That's like probably the funnest thing, is finding a way that everything fits to where you only have to grab one thing, and then you know you don't have to like move around stuff if you're trying to get to what you need. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
Cool. So even though Jeff is the founder of Koncept Garage, we're gonna treat him like a real client and make sure that he really has what he needs. Does he really need 20 bungee cords? We'll find out. Maybe only 2 or 3. Comes the man, the myth, the legend, Jeff Julia, Koncept Garage. And good morning.
How much stuff I have in my car, dude.
Yeah, this was way more than when we originally discussed. It's fine, it's fine. Just a reminder, this is a construction zone, so watch your step. We're gonna go through all the different categories that we found inside your truck and see what you wanna keep, donate, trash, and how you'd like to organize them. So first things first, I have some of your tools that you'll be using on jobs. Bungee cords, tape measures, ratchet straps.
Let's keep all this stuff.
Keep all this. Do you need all 20 bungees, or could you limit down to a couple? Okay, okay.
No, it's junk.
Okay. By all means, you can steal one from Robert and Bill.
I don't even know if this QR code works.
Okay.
It's not even loading.
Because of internet or because the page is broken? I got this.
Yeah. Oh, you did? Okay.
Book now?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, so that's a keeper.
Walk into a consultation, I always grab this thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I'm doing my thing and it's going to be a big project and it's like huge cabinets, I'll come back to the truck and I'll get this whole kit.
Okay. So the basic stuff, slat wall, the wire shelves, workbench. Those like your main things that you grab? Okay. Personal items, gloves, snack bars. This is an empty box.
It's for the dash cam.
Okay, and you want to keep them?
Yeah, you can keep it.
We can put them in a slot in your glove box slot thingy.
It's my lumbar support.
Lumbar support.
Been using the center console. Trash can.
Yep. Oh, okay, so everything I found in there.
Yeah, this is a sample of a shirt. Other samples.
This was my Staples uniform.
Hey, I was looking for this.
It's right there. Chug, chug, chug.
These things are impossible to store in the car.
I have a solution for you.
Oh, jeez.
Cheesy enough? Until, oh, is this?
Sweet, that was easy.
Now that I've got all of Jeff's notes, I'm just going through and doing some of the things he said. He wanted to keep these epoxy samples with these, so I'm just gonna attach them. We do rainbow. Let's see, got that.
Here. Layering. Is that the way the professionals do it?
Yep. I need scissors. Just in case. That's one way to hurt myself. All right, and we are officially done. Let's take a tour and show Jeff.
Oh my gosh.
Have a
So
sit.
productive in here. This is sick.
Yeah.
I feel like
The hydro flasks? It's
Yes.
like, that was marketed for the hydro flask.
I feel like a police officer. Don't police
Yeah.
officers have set up like
There you go.
breakfast every day, right?
Oh. I did on this side more of your essential stuff, so this is the tote that you're gonna grab immediately whenever you go to do the jobs. Gloves, hats, bungees, and ratchet straps
Yeah.
are down there. Right close to you is gonna be your business card, so that's gonna be the easiest to reach.
Oh, slick. I like that. Yeah, this is great. This is a good package. Super functional. Good job, Shawntel. You spec'd a really great product package.
Thanks, Jeff. I enjoyed doing it.
Yeah, this is gonna help us help more people, so appreciate you.
Yep, and I hope it also helps you working off the road. Here's
Yeah.
the keys to your brand new car.
Thanks.
You're welcome.